Well, in fact, my colleague Shivani, she spoke to Tata Steel's MD and CEO, Mr. TV Narendran. He spoke about the US tariff impact on steel sector and also concerns about cheap Chinese steel coming into India. Let's hear out what he had to say.
We've represented to the government for some safeguard duties. We've had a lot of conversations with the governments and they're looking at it very seriously. I think there were a number of queries which we've answered as an industry, as Indian Steel Association. So we're hoping that we will have some news sooner than later, because this is a problem which has been going on actually for almost 2 years. China has been struggling to recover and has been exporting more than 100 million tons of steel, and its impact is being felt. So I think, and now with the actions being taken by the US government, the situation has become even more dire. Things we need to look at. If you look at it from a cost point of view, Indian steel is competitive. India is one of the best places in the world to produce steel, and Indian steel industry, which has invested significantly in the last 10 years, has built very modern and efficient steel plants. The different issue is at what prices are people willing to sell, because if you look at the profitability of the Chinese steel industry, it's pretty much negative. Most steel companies in China are losing money. But in India, the steel industry is largely private sector dominated. So unless it's profitable, it doesn't make sense for the steel industry to invest in new capacity. And steel industry has been at the forefront of private sector investment. So I think it's a matter that we need to take a longer view. India is blessed with a lot of iron ore, and there's a great opportunity to convert that iron ore into steel and make it in India.
All right, so that is Mr. Narendra.